lecturer, Medical and Surgical Nursing Department, RV College of Nursing. So I am here today to speak about World First Aid Day. Every year, 14th of September is observed as World First Aid Day, which was introduced by International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies in the year 2000. Basically, this day is observed to raise public awareness and to encourage people to learn basic first aid training. So let's understand what is first aid. So first aid is the immediate assistance which can be given to anyone who suffer from either minor or major injuries. The main purpose or the main goal regarding this first aid is to preserve life and to prevent worsening of condition. So we know every year millions of people get hurt and they die because adequate and timely assistance is not given. So it is not only the medical assistance or the medical professional should give the first aid. If we have the confidence, then ordinary basic simple first aid skills can also save lives. So I believe every one of us can give first aid if basic training is given to us, then we have the potential to do that. So we know the importance of first aid. So today in this video I am going to show how to prepare first aid kit and what are all the things to be kept in the first aid kit. So without much delay, let's see the video.
To begin with, we have to take a cartoon box, a chart paper, scale, Fevicol, marker pen, scissors and pencil. We have to mark with the pencil on the chart paper. Once it is marked, we have to cut the paper carefully with the scissors. We have to cut for the other side too. Then we have to apply Fevicol on the chart paper properly. So that it sticks well. After applying Fevicol, we need to paste the chart paper on the surface of the cartoon box. Then we need to move on the other side of the cartoon box. Same like before, we need to take the measurement with the help of scale and pencil and mark on the both sides. After the marking, we need to cut the chart paper with the help of scissors, and same like before, we need to apply Fevicol to stick the chart paper on the surface of the cartoon box. The top surface of the cartoon box needs to be covered. Make sure that all the sides of the cartoon box are covered properly. Next, we are going to take a red color tape to secure the edges of the cartoon box. We can take a tape of any color. Here I have taken red color as it looks attractive. We are going to paste on all the sides of the cartoon box. Like this, we have to paste on all the corners of the carton box. We have to write first aid with pencil so that it will be easier for us to fill the color. To give a clear view, we have to draw a line with the help of scale and the marker pen. Then we have to start filling inside the letter. Like this, slowly we can fill inside all the letters. We have to continue filling, and finally the coloring is done, and this is how it looks. Next, we have to make small compartments with the help of cardboards. So here we have 3 compartments. In the first compartment, I have kept all the ointments. Here we have Neosporin, Betadine, Lactocalamine, Iodex, Vicks. So in the first compartment, all the ointments and balms are kept. In the second compartment, I have kept surgical gloves, cotton, roller bandage, gauze piece, thermometer, crab bandage. In the third compartment, all the medicines are kept. Here I have kept Dolo, ORS, cough syrup, Eno, Bandy, and Band-Aid I'll keep in the second compartment. Hand sanitizer, Dettol, Spirit, and the plaster. And we can keep torch in the second compartment. So my first aid kit is ready, and all the basic things are kept inside the kit. So this is how we can prepare first aid kit in a very simple way.
So guys, by now all of you have watched how to prepare first aid box, and I hope all of you know what are the things to be kept inside the first aid box. In view of World First Aid Day, I want all of us to know how to provide basic first aid, as immediate first aid can make a real difference in life when time comes. Thank you.